And the last one is Himon. Hi fam, how are you today? Yeah, it's Friday here in the Philippines and I have no work. I just had my shower, put a light makeup on. Makeup. Okay, anyway, and it's so very sunny outside. The weather is windy a bit, but it's very sunny. And for us Filipinos, summer is coming soon, so be ready for that. Filipinos out there who are watching me, and to all my viewers outside from the Philippines, how are you as well? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening out there. And in today's video I'm going to make an unboxing anyway, but before that I would like to give a special shout out to my I don't know how I can call him or her, but I would prefer to call him or her hater. Hater. Okay, anyway, I have a short story about my recent experience about this person who gave me thumbs down, because whenever I drop a video, a few seconds later I get a thumbs down. Okay, and then one day, it was the last long form video that I uploaded, the recent one, the long form one, and it was just about a few seconds ago I got this thumbs down. And you know what I did? I checked my dashboard. Okay, I went to the dashboard, I checked the analytics. And if you guys are aware of this, because I am so aware of this analytics, whenever I uploaded the videos, every now and then I am there checking the analytics, who are the viewers, where they come from, and then I check that time. And I get the thumbs down. And then if you are using the laptop, because I love using laptop, and you are in the dashboard, and when you click the analytics on the right portion of this laptop, you will see, okay, you are in the analytics and you will see the traffic source, and it says there channel, notifications, but YouTube search, something like that. And then I check my analytics and voila, I get this thumbs down from notifications. So meaning this person that gave me thumbs down every now and then might be my old friend here in YouTube. Okay. Okay, so I was just curious that time, so I checked it and I found that it was come from this notification. So meaning he's one of my subscribers. Okay, and he or she loves giving me thumbs down. I don't know why. What's your problem? Hey, what's your problem with me? Why are you doing that to me? Well, anyway, I don't hate you, but I love to call you hater. I love you because you're always there, watching my videos, supporting me for watching my videos again, and then it adds revenue to all my videos, and that's the thing. So thank you so much for that. Thank you for supporting me and always there for me. And also, I love you so much. All right, so keep doing that because it adds revenue to my videos. Follow-up story about that person who is giving me thumbs down. Recently, he removed the thumbs down after a few days. That's the thing. So maybe he or she just having fun about my videos. So that's okay. Just keep doing it. And let's do the unboxing thing. Alright, thank you. So let's start now. First this one. So let's have a look Okay, here. So this is a headset for my work because I want to have a spare in case my other one is not working. So I have a spare one. I got this thing or headset from PC Express. It cost me $766. Already a noise cancelling headset. Do you know why I got this thing again? Because I don't want to buy the expensive one because I'm not so sure if it will works well with me. But it's very light on my head, very comfortable, so no need for me to buy an expensive one. Yeah. And then the second one is, this is a washing machine cover. So I'm always protecting my washing machine. That's why I got another one because my old one is already worn out. So this one is perfect. It has the same size as with my old one. And then the last one is, hang on. This is a bit heavy. Okay, so alright. This is a thing that I'm going to use for laundry. Okay, you might be surprised why I am using this. Okay. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay. Jaran. It is a vinegar. I'm going to use this for my laundry as a fab conditioner. I learned this when I was in Australia. We don't use a FABCON there, so we use a white vinegar or a distilled vinegar here in the Philippines. If you are going to use vinegar for your laundry, you have to look for a distilled vinegar. Okay, this is a white vinegar that has 5% acidity. Yeah, I'm not so sure, but this is not so high in acid. Okay, so what I'm going to do this, when I use this one, I'm going to use the laundry soap or the laundry liquid, and then when it's time for fab conditioner, I'm going to use this for, it's up to you how much you want to use, and then I will use an essential oil. Okay, an essential oil. Maybe I will use eucalyptus oil or peppermint oil, something like that. So for me to avoid the chemicals, especially the fab conditioner, so strong, it triggers my allergy, and you know, it is not also good for our health. Yeah, this is cost me 250. Yeah, 250 for, so don't worry about the smell because the smell is so good as long as you are going to use a essential oil, especially eucalyptus oil. Oh my gosh, it is so good. All right, that's all for today, and hope to see you next time. And thank you so much for listening to my short story as well, and for watching my video unboxing thing, and we'll see you on my next one. Thank you. Bye.